Hello. Today, I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this adjustable laptop table with a tiltable split writing surface with wheels and a removable storage basket. It's suited for home, for office, for study, for reading, and for leisure. It goes from 65 centimeter height up to 95. And it's on the market available in black, in wood, and in white. The base will be white everywhere, okay? But the upper, the plates will be white, black, or in wood. In my case here, it comes in black to you. The laptop table is a height adjustable from 60 to 95 centimeter, and thus allows an ergonomic sitting or a standing position if you're not too large. This is either for home office, for a workspace, or for study. The surface consists of two parts. One part is tiltable, to place the laptop or books on it, while the other part remains stable and offers a space for mouth, drinks, or writing utensils. Practical and comfortable too. Equipped with 4 smooth running wheels, 2 of which can be locked. The computer table can be moved effortlessly and securely fixed in place. That's perfect as a side table or a bedside table. And also really good if you're sitting on the sofa. You can get this, if the sofa is a little bit larger, you can get this underneath the sofa, and then you can have a movie night, for example. And while you have a movie night, you can enjoy your food on this tabletop, for example. An additional removable storage basket offers a space for documents, chargers, or accessories, so we can work areas remains tidy thanks to the plenty of storage spaces. A stable steel frame and an easy care surface ensures of durability. We can use it as a laptop table. We can use it as a presentation table. We can use it as a projector stand. Or, of course, for a reading table. So you see, it's possible to make this multifunctional for you. Stable and versatile mobile desk. We have here a structural upgrade for a doubled its stability. It's for work, for reading, for writing, for the office, for drawing, for practice, for relaxing, and for the bedroom. Because structurally operating, it ensures a double stability. This rolling laptop table resists the shocks, perfect for writing, for office work or bedside table, with the wheels which is moved freely. This is either for relaxing in the bedroom, reading or drawing, and a must for flexible tasks at home. And this is a lazy sofa side helper. It works in ease with an anti-slip protection pen holder. Or we have an anti-work surface which is rotatable 360 degrees. This is an easier as a shelf for drinks, for example, because there are 2 plates on it. Yeah, work and relax on the couch. This height adjustable desk holds the laptop, the Macs, etc. Whenever we are analyzing charts or enjoying a book, it keeps important things within reach. Smooth wheels allows us to position it anywhere. We enhance our sofa leisure time with that. The boost comfort, sit 6 cm, stand 95 cm. With this ergonomic desk, we can get the correct angle, reduce the load of 90 degrees, elbows and 120 degrees of the wrist. Perfect for a healthy office, studio, or work from home. Adapted to our posture, increase the productivity too. We have an H-shaped integrated frame, 40mm steel pipe, and a 4-flip design. Multi-purpose, either for working from home. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!